Hello, Omaha Real Estate Professionals. As we near the end of 2023, you might be wondering what your next big move should be. Well, wonder no more. For many, this year has been routine, but for you, it can still be revolutionary. There's time left to make 2023 not just good, but great, and to lay out the groundwork for an even better 2024. That's why I'm thrilled to invite you to an exclusive event that could change the game for you. Our business planning clinic happening Wednesday, November 16th from 9 to 12 p.m. This isn't your typical seminar. It's a deep dive into the art and science of business planning. Together, we'll set your goals and develop a tactical plan to end this year on a high note and kickstart 2024 with momentum. But before we meet, I have a challenge for you. Take 10 minutes to answer these questions. Do you have a daily success schedule? Are you part of a mastermind group? Do you have a marketing system that keeps you connected with your clients? Are you tracking the key metrics in your business? And do you have a systematic approach to social media marketing? And most importantly, are you consistently working on personal growth? If you're unsure about any of these, then our business planning workshop is precisely what you need. And let's not forget, this workshop counts for 3 hours of commission-approved training. Space is limited, and trust me, you won't want to miss out. So if you're ready to take control of your career and make the next 2 months and the year to follow truly count, register today. Click the link below to secure your spot, and let's make the end of 2023 impactful and start 2024 with a bang. I can't wait to see you there. But wait, there's more. I'm offering $40 off for the first 50 agents that register. So the cost of the workshop will just be $10. So don't wait to get registered now.